Pavlinia Apartments, day 3, the dust storm. See some people down there in the park trying to think, and then everything. And some of their tourists there just going to the shop to buy something. Poor one. There you can see on the cars, there's a yellow dust on the cars. And the haze in the air, it's so hot. You can't see anything. Usually it's a beautiful view. And no, can't see anything. No birds out, just a few people. A guy on a bike there, a bit crazy there. No mask on. Can't see the sea. Can't see the fun park. Can't see anything. You can see the Pavlinia sign now. Time to go out and get a mask later, I think. I was going to the masks, they're selling the masks like Michael Jackson masks for, you know, a lot of money. £8 for a mask. And a lot of people like wearing bandanas as well over the faces because the dust is so thick. It's like brick dust. And if you can see the footprints here, this dust is so thick. Yellow dust everywhere. Poor cleaners have to clean all this mess up. Okay, that's it. Over and out.